Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to find the largest and the smallest value in a Panda data frame. So this is my code snippet. I have copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I will explain to you the code as well as run it for you over here. So during data analysis, you do many data pre-processing. You go into depth of the data, you try to find the average value, the maximum value, the standard deviation, the mean values. So in those cases, uh, these codes are necessary. So this is in this video I'm going to teach you on how to find the maximum as well as the minimum values. So let's get started. Now I've defined a function named kickstarter example 88, and these are general to print statement. In order to ignore warnings, I've imported warnings. Sometimes you get unnecessary warnings. Just in order to ignore that, I'm using warnings.filter warnings ignore. So after that, I've imported my Panda library and I've created a data frame. So this is a data dictionary. It contains 5 rows. So first name, last name, age, pre-test and post-test score. I've converted this data frame I've converted this data dictionary into a data frame using pd.dataframe function. So it takes many inputs. I'm giving two parameters, that is my raw data, that is data dictionary, and the name of the columns. You need to give the name of the columns in the sequential order. For example, the first name will take the first name, the first column will take the name from the first input, the second input. Basically it is a list of names. I've saved that under the name df. I've printed that data frame for myself, and after that now I'm finding the highest value. So index of highest value, now print. This is the main function that you need to understand. This means go to df, go to my data frame df, then go to my column pre-test score, and then give me the idx max, that is give me the id having highest value, the maximum value. So what is id? That id is the row number. In the similar way, print df go to df, then pre-test score. Let me make that post-test score. Post-test score, go to id and give me the maximum value. Sorry, give me the minimum, give me the id that has the minimum value. Let me run this for you. So as you can see, this is the data frame that I made. Now index of the highest value. Now in the pre-test score, the index of the highest value is 2. So yes, the highest value was 31 and the row number was 2, and index of lowest value in the post-test score is 25. So the lowest value was 25 and the index value was 0. So let us go back to our website. This was all about the code in this video. For real industry project using this recipe, you can check these out, and the URL for this code is available below in the video. Thank you.